last 60 days, I've made over $10,000 promoting Chinese products such as hoodies, sneakers, and handbags online. And you can do exactly the same with 0 followers, no previous experience, and less than 2 hours of your time per week. All of this is done through a platform called DHGate, or more specifically, the DHGate affiliate program. Here's how it works. You create a custom affiliate link for a product that tracks your affiliate info, meaning when somebody buys the product through that link, you will be paid a commission, usually ranging between 2% and 60% of the product's original price. To get started, create your DHGate affiliate account using my link in the description. You'll instantly get a free $5 just for signing up. After you sign up and you see the homepage, you'll realize that there are a lot of options to choose from. But for now, we'll just need to focus on the All Products page. Here you'll be able to find products to promote. You can use the search bar, sort by price, sort by commission rate, and sort by commission amount options to help you find what you're looking for. Once you've found a product that you want to promote, simply click Get Link, then Short Link, and Generate. Boom! Now you have your own custom affiliate link. Now you're going to need to create a link directory so that people are able to browse and click your links. You can do this using a Google Docs spreadsheet or a link tree. I would recommend a spreadsheet as it's the most common. Once you've created your spreadsheet, it's time to begin driving traffic to your links. You can do this using Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, YouTube, and TikTok. Instagram Reels is key here. It will drive the most traffic to your links and make you the most money by far. This is due to 3 main factors. Number 1. Once your Instagram account grows to a decent following, views are almost guaranteed no matter what you post. Number 2. Unlike other platforms, Instagram doesn't punish you for reposting the exact same videos, meaning you can post the same videos multiple times and still get views. Number 3. You can post 5 times per day on Instagram and still get almost the same average views across your videos. Overall, Instagram Reels is a goldmine when it comes to DHGate affiliate marketing. A simple strategy I recommend is to upload your TikTok, then repost it to Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Just make sure not to mention DHGate directly in the video or caption, since platforms can be pretty strict about DHGate affiliate content these days. Instead, you can refer to it as the yellow app, or just use terms like budget fines if you want. Either way, it should still drive traffic to your links. When you're first starting out, sales will likely be very slow, especially for the first 2 weeks. But it's important to stay consistent, as once you start making sales, it's only up from there. Once you're earning commissions consistently, you can apply for free product samples from sellers. To do this, go to the DHGate affiliate page and click on Products, then select Sample Products. This section displays all the products available for sample requests. When you click Get Sample, you'll be asked to enter your shipping address along with the specific size and color you'd like. After submitting your request, simply wait for the seller to approve your application and ship the sample directly to you. Once you've got a variety of products and samples, you can expand into long-form YouTube content, such as review or haul videos. I highly recommend this because it can generate you a lot of commissions over time. So now you've got a rough idea of how it works. But here's the thing. I know starting from zero can feel confusing. That's exactly why I created a free Discord community, link in description. Feel free to join and ask me any questions you want. I'll literally hold your hand throughout the process until you're successful for completely free. So if you've already signed up for DHGate affiliate using my link, click the Discord link in the description and join. I'll see you inside.